Hello and welcome to this lecture, which I title, Getting Listed at Major Retailers. In this lecture I will use Chapters Indigo as an example, as they are representative as to how a number of major book retailers operate. There is actually no place on the Chapters Indigo website for a self-published author to get their book registered and available throughout the Chapters Indigo chain of stores. The way to go about getting registered with them is to first get your global ISBN number and then publish your book through a publisher such as Ingram Spark, which is, by the way, their primary sourcing agent for books that ultimately reside on their shelves or that can be ordered through the various computer terminals around each store. Once you have your book published through Ingram Spark, you are now automatically registered in the automated catalog that can be searched by people within the Chapters Indigo stores via the kiosks that they make available to their customers throughout their brick-and-mortar locations. You are also automatically registered on their website at http://www.chapters.indigo.ca. Your book can be searched for and found on this site, purchased, and shipped to you. To actually get your book on their store shelves takes a bit more work if you are just starting out. Known authors will get there automatically. What you will need to do as a new author is to create the awareness with the readers that shop those stores. So you will need to externally promote your book to bring people to their site or into their stores to get the individual stores to start placing copies on those shelves. There are a number of strategies that you can employ to get this done. These could include: if you have an online presence, such as a blog site, Facebook following, Pinterest following, etc., you can get the links to where your book resides on the Chapters Indigo site, and you can start pointing your followers to its location. If you have a store near you, you can go in and talk to staff to ask them to stock a few copies of your book as a local author. They are often willing to help if they can see that your book is registered in their ordering system. Local stores are usually happy to give you a table to do book signings and promotions within their stores. This will also help you to get them to stock a few books in their inventory. If they don't want to stock the books themselves, you still have the option of asking them to put some copies on their shelves as consignment items. So you would pay for the books yourself, they would stock them on their shelves, and under a revenue sharing model of some sort, they would split the profits with you on any books sold. If your book does start to sell, they will usually then be willing to move to the wholesale model where they directly make the book purchases through their purchasing agents. You can also create promotional flyers and send them to each of the stores to promote your book to them individually. If you can find a way to reach their individual store purchasers electronically, then you might also be able to send your flyer to them in an electronic format. Note, sometimes sending them a glossy flyer on your book is a good idea in any event, as these tend to linger around their premises longer than an email does, so purchasers may see it more than once, whereas the email might get deleted. If yours is a book that you teach from or lecture to, you can also get your students to place orders for the book, or you can place orders on their behalf through the store. This also helps to bring your sales numbers up, and the whole chain may start to get more interested in stocking your books in their various stores. That's all for this lecture. Bye for now.